Take a moment to check out the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This sleek MKZ is the antidote to today's hectic world. With quietly powerful performance, touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assist features, a lush interior, and impeccably tasteful styling, this four-door luxury sedan delivers the calm you crave. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and ready for whatever the journey has in store when you're behind the wheel of this stunning MKZ. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.